The good news is market is getting better. Finally, May 2025, market data has been arrived, and I have to share amazing news. But I just want to let you know that मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूँगा, make sure you do not get disappointed with the data. The mainly data on media, जो आप मीडिया पे जो डेटा देखते हैं, वो they always share the data from last year 2024. ठीक है, अगर आप उस डेटा को देखेंगे 2024 से, तो you always going to be discouraged, disappointed, but I don't want you to discourage and disappointed. I want you to be updated with the latest data. What's going on since this year beginning, since January 2025 till now? Are we progressing? Are you improving? Market is getting better or getting worse? The good news is market is getting better. Now I'm going to break down the data. मैं अब आपको data जो है different breakdown करके दूंगा, different categories of the housing, different categories of the transaction, and the type of housing as well, and days on market, and inventory of the properties is available at the moment. Property Pulse with Aman Khan. So now I'm going to break down जो data जो मैंने कहा था आपके साथ मैं break down करता हूँ, जैसे the total houses has been sold within a GTA area, okay, the total housing, which is 6,244 transaction happened, ठीक है, 6,244 घर बिके हैं. अच्छा, if you compare since 2024, the sales came down by 11%. If you want to see it, if you want to check it from the last month, from the month of April, sales gone up by 11.5%. इसी तरह से अगर आप मार्केट को दोबारा कंपेयर करेंगे मार्च से, तो आप देखेंगे मार्केट इज गॉन अप. इसी तरह से आप अगर मार्केट को देखेंगे from February, you will notice actually the market is gone up. Sales is going up. ठीक है? So always see the positive side of the data. If you just want to get into the market, make sure stay away from the media. Make sure that make sure that you talk to the professional, full-time, active real estate agent. So I'm going to now share the average price. The average price of the house is 1,120,000. This is the average price. If you will compare from the last year, price came down by 3.8%. So what is the good news? The good news is the price gone up by 1.2% from the last month. Same thing if you will check the previous month, if you will check more previous month, you will see the prices is going up, is increasing, is upward. So market is improving, guys. So I'm just telling you that आपको डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Make sure that you come and talk to the professional real estate agent. Okay, now I'm going to break down further, like detached houses, semi-detached houses, freehold townhouses, and townhouses and condo townhouses. And condo high-rise buildings. Okay, so detached house. What is the average price of the detached houses in GTA? Okay, this is just the average price. Okay, guys, again it gets further breakdown. Okay, so $1.4 million. This is I'm just giving you I'm just rounding up the number. I'm not just giving you exact the number, but rounding up. So the exact number is 1,425, but I'm just rounding up by 1.4 million. This is a price of detached houses. And how many detached houses has been sold in the month of May? 2,998. So almost 3,000 houses has been sold. Detached houses have been sold. This is amazing. This is amazing news. And if you compare from the last year, the transaction was like really bad. It's gonna show you bad, which is 7.4% less than the last year. But again, I'm giving you the positive news. The positive news is, if you compare the last month of April, transaction is gone up by 17.3%. 17.3%, guys. This is not a joke. I mean, people are started coming in the market, okay? And आपको जब पता चलेगा, जब मार्केट कंप्लीटली शिफ्ट हो चुकी होगी, जब ऑलरेडी प्राइसेस ऊपर जा चुकी होंगी और ठीक ठाक जा चुकी होंगी, अभी जो प्राइसेस चल रही हैं, ये प्राइसेस यू बीन वेटिंग फॉर, आप इस प्राइस का वेट कर रहे थे. एंड अगेन, okay, let me come to the next section, which is semi-detached. The prices of the semi-detached, which is the average price is almost 1.1 million. But if you ask me the exact number, 1.098. Okay, so almost 1.1 million. But still, properties are available, which is under $1 million. I'm telling you, if you're looking for semi-detached house with a finished basement apartment in Mississauga, still I know several such property जो कि अवेलेबल है, आप बाय कर सकते हैं और उसको नीचे अपना जो बेसमेंट है उसको रेंट आउट कर सकते हैं. अगेन इज अंडर $1 million. आई हैव समथिंग अवेलेबल. एंड जो सेमी डिटैच की जो ट्रांजेक्शन हुई है इन मंथ ऑफ मई में, वो ऑलमोस्ट 617 हाउसेज सोल्ड हुई हैं. 617 हाउस. अगेन द गुड न्यूज़, अगर आप ईयरली भी देखोगे तो इट हैज़ बीन इम्प्रूव बाय 0.2%, which is nothing. But if you see the number month to month, which is 9.2% increase. जो सेल्स इंक्रीज हुई है 9.2% और उसकी जो प्राइसेस इसकी प्राइसेस जो इंक्रीज हुई है 0.9%, which is month to month basis. Freehold townhouses again is almost $1 million. The freehold townhouse is $995,000. Okay, prices gone down 1% from the last month. Again, it's a good time for buyers. This month to month is price gone down. This is the only category that price gone down. Freehold townhouses, and the total transaction happened 650 freehold townhouses was sold in all over GTA. Okay, and which is, if you see the number of sales increase by 13.8%, which is month over month. 13.8%. But if you, and again, this is another good news, if you see by yearly compared to last year, sales gone up by 4.2%. So even year by year, yearly price gone up, the sales gone up, and even month over month the sales gone up. The both area is a good news. And again, now is a condo apartment. The average price is $683,000. The condo is the market, one of the market is really impacted very badly. Okay, because right now the amount of data, amount of inventory we have right now is almost 8.5 months of data sitting there. The 8.5 month of inventory is sitting there. So that's why this is one of the best market to buy or invest, especially for the investors. And the total houses has been almost 1,482 condos has been sold. Month to month is increased by 3.6%. Yearly is very bad. Compared to last year is very bad. 23.7%, is a down. I'm talking about the sales, number of transaction. But right now the market month to month is going up 3.6%. So when I told you in the beginning, total transaction कितनी हुई थी हमारी, how many transaction will happen? 6,244 transaction. So there is a two category of the houses that had an amazing transaction. One is a detached house, 2,998, almost 3,000 houses was sold from that 6,000. So almost 50%, 45-50% houses was sold from the detached houses. And 1,482, so almost 1,500 condos has been sold from this number, the total number of transactions. So these two category, the detached houses and the condos, are the main, the main source of the transaction. So you can imagine, if you are sitting still sideline and still if you don't know what to do, you can always call me and ask me any question you have in your mind. Now I'm going to share some data like price wise, sales by price range year to date. Like from this year, I'm talking about only this year, from January to May. So make sure that you note it down, guys. People are considering to go and check it out, whether they're giving you offer or not, doesn't matter. But people are showing their interest. This housing, I mean, compared to the small condos, right? So as I mentioned, like two categories, right? One is a detached, one is condos. Again, is semi-detached is also like, is falling under the same price ranges between 1 million to 1.25 million. 682 houses, 682 transaction happened. And again, freehold townhouses to total 598. This is all the data I'm mentioning about the May month data. So freehold townhouses, 598 houses has been sold, and the price range was between $800,000 to $900,000. Again, townhouse condos, the condos will come with the fees, right? So townhouse condos, 465 condos, townhouse condos has been sold, and the price range was the ideal selling price, and people are really interested to go and see those townhouses if its price is under $600,000 and almost $700,000. So I just break down for you guys to you just should, because at this market, if you're a seller, the only reason your property can sell or you can be sold is a price. How stage it is, the condition, it's come on the secondary, but the price. As soon as people see the price, I mean, consumer always send this data to his own realtor, and then realtor book the showing. So make sure that the pricing is very important, and plus the stage, the way you kept keeping your house, okay, is very important. Okay, month of inventory, this is the last, is very important. You always keep in mind. So again, the data is very encouraging data, by the way, okay, is from the seller market is moving to the balance market. It's very good news, guys. It's very good news. From seller market, the market is switching, is moving towards shifting towards the balance market. The Halton region, the property, the inventory sitting in the Halton market is 3.9 months. This is very good news, by the way. 3.9 months is almost like again seller market. It is soon you're gonna see that 3-month inventory sitting there. Soon you will see that. And Peel region, and if you don't know how many city or how many towns come under these regions, just make sure that you go Google it or just call me and email me, whatever is convenient for you. So Peel region is a 4.5 month data, 4.5 month inventory sitting in the market at the moment. So suppose if nothing new listed, like nobody is listing today, everybody stop listing today, so it will take 4.5 months to clear up the whole data, whole inventory from the market. Okay, so this is the meaning of the inventory, month of inventory. So, and then City of Toronto, 4.6 month inventory of 4.6 month, and York region again 4.6 month of inventory sitting there. The best market at this moment, Durham region, is amazing. Again, this is a seller market now. It's no more balance, no more buyer market. Durham region has been switched to to the seller market. You know how much inventory we have right now? Just 2.8 months. Guys, I'm telling you, if you like to buy, I'm telling you, market is shifting. Market is shifting. I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to encourage you, because I want everybody to own your own real estate. Last but not least is very important, guys. Before you go and see the housing, any property you go and see, with your realtor, make sure that you are approved from your mortgage broker. You're already approved for that particular price. Anybody looking for $1 million house or $2 million house or $399,000 house, make sure you are approved by your mortgage broker or your mortgage manager from your bank. So currently, the mortgage rate is amazing. one of the best mortgage rate. I don't want to compare that from the COVID time. I'm comparing overall. This is a very healthy time in terms of the mortgage rate. The 3 years mortgage rate is 3.79, and 5 year is almost 4.125, 4.25. This is a standard mortgage rate. It's always been there. Okay, guys. So don't wait too much. For last 2 times, the mortgage rate did not decrease. In fact, the Bank of Canada hold the mortgage rate. So just make sure that whatever the best mortgage rate, you find it, and especially when you see the calculation wise, what is good for you, what is suitable for you, just go and purchase the property you want. This is one of my dream for all my friends and my listener. And again, if you have any question regarding the real estate, do not hesitate to call me. Thank you very much.